Here he comes.
What are you doing?
Go ahead, take it.
This?
Yep.
Not before you smell it.
Okay. He's pouring it all slow because he really doesn't want to take it right now. Because he knows he's already drunk up a whole bottle of vodka. Ooh, I don't want any of that. I don't even want to smell it.
Yeah, you do. Look at that.
Nope, good luck. Go. Oh, here he goes. Look, your face already doesn't want it. You ain't even taken it yet.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay, go.
It's gonna be
his pussy little chaser.
Deliciousness.
Oh, deliciousness. We'll see.
It is.
And we're going to see your face right here.
I get you ready for it.
Look at your nose. It's all turned up.
That's good. That's a good
Okay, we'll see once you take it.
It's 9-year-old bourbon.
Is that why you're taking your time to take it?
Yeah, and you gotta savor it.
The fuck was that?
You gotta savor it.
Okay, go. Look at those eyebrows.
Oh, wow! Damn. That's some good, man. You sure you
You're
want
so full of fucking shit.
Mm.
Your face tells a different story.
I can't control that, but it is delicious, though. It's smooth going down, don't burn.
No, it's not.
Look. That's the shit. I'll probably gonna be drunk after that, but damn.
Is that why you keep chasing it?
The aftertaste is awesome, though. Like, that's why I like it so much.